Okay, we're getting to hear that the opposition march has already begun, and leading from the front is Mamata Banerjee, who spoke to the media a short while back before she started that protest march against the demonetization move. The West Bengal Chief Minister has been at the forefront of the protest against demonetization and is leading the protests as well at Jantar Mantar. Now, there have been a series of protest marches. Yesterday, in fact, was held by the Aam Aadmi Party. All right, let's listen in to Mamata Banerjee. She's just about to speak. Speaking of the Aam Aadmi Party protests yesterday, we saw Manish Sisodia, who was leading that protest march, and now we can see yet another one. Well, Derek O'Brien had mentioned about this massive protest march at Jantar Mantar a few days back, and we can now see a couple of people who have gathered, political parties coming together to escalate their protest against the decision to ban 500 and 1,000 notes.
गरीबों की पेट में लात मत मारो, मत मारो, मत मारो। गरीबों की पेट में लात मत मारो, मत मारो, मत मारो। गरीबों की पेट में लात मत मारो, मत मारो, मत मारो। विदेश से काला धन वापस लाओ, वापस लाओ, वापस लाओ। विदेश से काला धन वापस लाओ, वापस लाओ, वापस लाओ। आम जनता करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। आम जनता करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। आम जनता करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। माँ बहने करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। माँ बहने करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। आम जनता करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। किसान मजदूर करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। किसान मजदूर करे पुकार, हाय हाय मोदी सरकार। अरे मोदी तेरी मन की बात, Modi teri man ki baat.
Okay, so we are just waiting for Mamata Banerjee or any other representative of the Trinamool Congress to speak. Yesterday, Manish Sisodia and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders were also held for leading protests against demonetization. In fact, it was Manish Sisodia who had led hundreds of slogans shouting Aam Aadmi Party activists on a march, but he too was held, and now we are seeing similar scenes of a protest that we have also seen outside Parliament. Rajya Sabha has been adjourned up till 2 p.m. The Prime Minister, in fact, did attend the Lok Sabha, but despite that, Lok Sabha was disrupted. Venkaiah Naidu was visibly quite upset and frustrated and has questioned the opposition for failing to engage in a discussion on the demonetization despite the Prime Minister's presence, and accusing the opposition of disrupting the proceedings of the House. So there is, the usual war of words between not only the BJP and the Congress, but a united opposition against the government on the matter of demonetization. This is a protest march that has been called by all the opposition parties, with Mamata Banerjee leading from the front. In fact, she has been reaching out to all the opposition parties, including the left as well, and asking for their support in criticizing and condemning the government's move to ban 500 and 1,000 notes by holding a massive dharna. We have with us India Today's executive editor, Javed Ansari. Javed, ever since the winter session convened, we have just been seeing a series of protest marches with Mamata Banerjee, literally leading from the front. She has been at the forefront, and she continues to garner enough support from the other opposition parties as well.
Yes, indeed, that is the case. The entire opposition surprisingly united on this issue. Today, this morning, when the MPs were staging a dharna outside Parliament, just in front of Gandhiji statue, we saw Derek O'Brien and Mr. Sitaram Yechury holding hands and clasping hands together in a great show of unity. So at least inside Parliament, even the left and the TMC appear to be on the same page. Outside, of course, there's a difference. It manifested itself earlier in the week when Mamata Banerjee, when the opposition didn't join. Now it was only Kejriwal, Mamata Banerjee and Umar Abdullah and their MPs who walked to President House. Today she's staging a dharna outside Parliament, where along with Mr. Kejriwal, where inside Parliament the opposition coordinating their strategy, united in their opposition and speaking almost in one voice on the demonetization issue.
Absolutely. And we haven't really seen, the government really affected by this newfound opposition unity, because it's only today that the Prime Minister came to Lok Sabha. However, nothing much happened.
Yes, because today was his question, today was his day in the Lok Sabha, but in the Raj Sabha, where the opposition has a majority and the debate is already underway, in the sense that the first day the debate did take place, they want the Prime Minister to come there and speak in the course of the debate and allow himself to be questioned. Now that is something that the opposition, that the government is unwilling to concede, because the opposition has the numbers there and they don't want the Prime Minister to be subjected to questioning. Avantika?
Absolutely. So we can see Mamata Banerjee has already arrived at this protest that has been called by the Trinamool Congress and the other political parties. So we'll just have to wait and watch for Mamata Banerjee. And Javed, she continues to lash out against the government, whether in West Bengal or in Delhi. She's made multiple visits to the national capital. Why is it that Mamata Banerjee is really taking the lead here? Because, you know, of course, we have seen Rahul Gandhi, the Congress Vice President, needling the Prime Minister. But interesting to see how the Trinamool Congress has taken centre stage when it comes to criticizing the government's move. Javed?
बीवी बच्चे सभी रो रहे हैं,